Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. Almighty and ever-living God, we gather before you today with grateful hearts, acknowledging your guidance, your wisdom, and your enduring love for our community. As we begin this regular session, we humbly ask for your presence to dwell among us, to enlighten our minds, steady our decisions, and strengthen our resolve to serve with integrity and compassion. Grant each member of this council clarity of thought, patience in discussion, and unity in purpose. May every idea shared, every motion raised, and every resolution passed reflect our collective desire to uplift the lives of our constituents and honor the trust they have placed in us. Lord, bless our local government, our leaders, our employees, and every household under our care and jurisdiction. Shield our community from harm, guide us through challenges, and inspire us to work tirelessly for peace, progress, and genuine public service. As we go through today's agenda, help us remain mindful that true leadership is rooted in humility, fairness, and accountability. May everything we accomplish today bring honor to your name and hope to the people we serve. We ask all this in your holy and mighty name. Amen.